Welcome to ADHD, Focus and Motivation. Today, we're tuning into a symphony of solutions as we explore the powerful role of music and sound in managing ADHD. From the calming rhythms to the focusing melodies, music offers a unique therapeutic pathway for both adults and children. Let's embark on a harmonic journey to understand how the right sound can transform the ADHD mind. Music is more than just a background melody. It's a dynamic tool that can alter brainwave patterns, affecting our emotions, focus, and overall mental state. For individuals with ADHD, music can act as a mediator, bridging the gap between distraction and concentration, chaos and calm. Sound therapy has been studied extensively for its therapeutic benefits. Certain rhythms and tones can increase focus, reduce stress, and even improve memory. For those with ADHD, this means a carefully selected playlist could potentially enhance attention and soothe hyperactivity. Adults with ADHD often find themselves overwhelmed by the bustle of daily life. Calming music, like classical or certain types of jazz, can create a tranquil atmosphere, reducing stress and anxiety. These genres often lack abrupt changes, helping maintain a steady mood and focus. When it's time to focus, the beat matters. Music with a steady, upbeat tempo can invigorate the mind and keep it engaged. Genres like electronic or certain types of pop can provide a consistent rhythm that helps sustain attention on tasks that might otherwise feel tedious. For children with ADHD, the natural world offers a symphony of focus. Sounds like rain, ocean waves, or a forest can be profoundly calming and grounding. These sounds are often used in therapy settings to create a sense of peace and presence, helping kids feel more centered and attentive. Incorporating music into your daily routine can signal your brain it's time to shift gears. Start your morning with uplifting tunes, use calming melodies for wind-down time, and have a go-to-focus playlist for work or study. Over time, these musical cues can become powerful tools in managing your ADHD. Everyone's musical taste and response are unique. It's important to experiment with different types of music to see what resonates with you. Pay attention to how you feel with different genres and tempos. Building a personalized playlist can be a fun and rewarding process, leading to your very own therapeutic soundtrack. Mindful listening is an exercise where you fully immerse yourself in the music, absorbing every note and melody. This practice not only enhances your appreciation for music, but also trains your brain to focus and be present, reducing the noise of distractions. The power of music and sound opens up a world of therapeutic possibilities for those with ADHD. Whether it's through calming rhythms, focusing beats, or the natural sounds of the earth. Finding the right auditory environment can lead to profound changes in focus and calm. Thank you for joining us at ADHD Focus and Motivation. Let the music guide you to a more focused and serene state of mind. If you found harmony in today's exploration of music as therapy, please like, subscribe, and share your own experiences in the comments below. Your journey with music could inspire others to find their rhythm. Until next time, stay focused, stay motivated, and let the music play.